Hello YouTubers, in this video I will unbox the Crucial Ballistix 16GB kit of DDR4 RAM, black version and the red version too. So here we got the black version. There you can see the product code. The B at the end of the code means the black. This is an unopened box, as you can see. So let's see what's inside. According to Crucial, these modules were engineered for speed, optimized for Intel and AMD systems. So here are the modules. Two pieces, each 8 gigs. They are coming without an LED. The modules are assembled in Mexico. They got a cache latency of 16 and operating voltage 1.35. And here we got the red version. Practically this is the same module as the black one, except the color. On the bottom you can see the product code. The R at the end of the code means this is the red version. And we got the two modules. This is a 16 gig kit as well. It has got the same cache latency, as you can see, and the same voltage, 3200 mega transfers per second, just as the black ones, and has no LEDs similar to the black ones. But this is made in Malaysia. Interesting. This concludes this video. The force might be with you.